They say we're a throwaway society. We give up on people. We deem them unworthy. We don't think we can find anything good in them. I want you to hear the Lord this morning at Luke 14:34 and 35. Salt is good, but if salt has lost its taste, how can its saltiness be restored? People use salt not just to enhance the taste of something. How do we say taste? We say how you dress. You got taste. You got style. There's a phrase in the New Testament that says, to the one who's well-dressed, you say, have a seat. And to the one who's poor-dressed, you say, stand over there. And the dress may be on them, but when we're talking spiritually, we're talking about what's in them. The one well-dressed is the one who is well-versed in Scripture, knows how to be gentle, knows how to follow the Lord. And the one who has not known the Lord yet is not well-dressed, because the clothes we're really talking about are your spiritual clothes that you're washing your heart and your mind with. Salt has lost its taste. We don't find it, and we ask this question, how can its saltiness be restored? God is the answer. It says God can rain on the righteous. God made the planet. God can make anything. And it says he made things out of nothing. Give that some thought. Out of nothing. So it goes on to say it is neither fit for the soil nor the manure pile. They throw it away. Let anyone with ears listen. And the other piece of that is Jesus says they throw it away. You're going to find people in society who say that you're not good enough. And that will be true if you don't come back to God. Society wants you to act like them. There is a mass mob crowd. God isn't a Democrat, that he is a mob of a crowd. Democrats rule with the mob mentality. Whatever is the greater of the people's want, they want. And if the people are all wrong, then they're going to elect law that is wrong. God's not a Republican. A Republican is somebody who represents. He is sovereign. He is a king. It is his rules, his world, his law. And you are going back to it whether you want to or not. You were born here whether you wanted to be born or not. This is the truth of the matter. Satan will try to deceive you by trying to blind your heart and eyes. But God still spoke to his prophets and left us a word in the Bible. And if you have difficulty trying to understand, watch the videos on this channel. I've studied 7 years and I didn't choose any other labor. I started in 2013. God impresses upon my heart clarity like I'm looking at today. I'm looking for other things, but he's showing me something that I feel I need to share and bless you with. This has been Church with Ann Yeager. Prepare for his kingdom.